I think that is but with the learning of poem, you also should learn that how to find out the rhyming pattern of any stanza of any poem. So, Rain on the Roof, just now we have studied. So, first stanza I have written on board, and I will show you how to find out that the rhyming pattern of any stanza. See, when the humid shadows hover. So, what is the last word? The last word is hover. So, I have mentioned, that is underlined, double underlined, and I always told you that with the pronunciation of the last word of each line, we have to check that with other word, in which line, with which that word, that the pronunciation is same, that is called rhyme. So here hover, you see, so I have mentioned is it as a. Next sentence, next line, what is there? Over all the starry spheres. So sphere with hover, with the pronunciation of hover, that spheres is not matching. So spheres, I am mentioning spheres as B. Then you see that, and the melancholy darkness, and the melancholy darkness, that is darkness, that is another pronunciation, another word, that is also not matching with hover or spheres. Darkness, that is different pronunciation, so I have mentioned that as C. Then come to the fourth line, that is gently weeps in rainy tears. So here you see, the pronunciation tears, it is matching with spheres. So sphere, already I have given the name of that word as B. So tears, the pronunciation of tears, it is matching with spheres. So that is the rhyme, that tears is pronunciation of tear is rhyming with spheres. So this is also B. Now come to the fifth line, that is what a bliss to press the pillow. Pillow, that is different pronunciation. So I have mentioned that as D. Now come to the that sixth line, that is of a cottage chamber bed. That is also different pronunciation. So I have underlined, and I have given the name of this word's pronunciation as E. Now you come to seventh line, that is and lie listening to the patter. Patter, that is patter, last word is patter and pronunciation is patter. This is also different. So I have given another name, that is F. Now last line, that is of the soft rain overhead. Spelling that is not correct. Okay, I am okay. So the last word, that is overhead. So overhead, the pronunciation of the word overhead, that is matching with which word? That is bed, overhead, bed, overhead. So bed is name of the word, pronunciation I have given as E. So last word overhead, that is also same. So that's why that will repeat, that is E. So ultimately what you are getting for that about the rhyming pattern of this 8 line stanza, that is A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. For making rhyming pattern, you have to use the English alphabets. Okay, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. This way you have to go on, and always first pronunciation, first word you have to symbolize as A. Then if it is rhyming with the second word, then it will be the same. If it is different, then you have to give another symbol as B. Then that last word that is here, that is also different, you have to give that is C. Then you are getting tears with spheres, so already you have given the symbol as tears, that is B. So for tears also you have to repeat the same symbol, that is B, because here the pronunciation, that is tears, it is matching, it is rhyming with spheres. Again come to pillow, it is not matching with any other word, so it will get another symbolic name, that is D. Then you are coming to bed, that is also not matching with any other word, then that's why you have to give it another name, that is E. Then you are coming to patter, that is also not rhyming with any other word, that's why you have to give the symbolic name, that is F. Then you are getting overhead, that is you are getting the same rhyming pattern, that already we have given it as E, so here also it will be E. So this way you yourself have to make the rhyming pattern of any stanza of a poem. Now I hope that you can understand, and you will easily, now any poem of your syllabus you can check and you can make this way the rhyming pattern. Okay, thank you everybody, have a nice day.